Have you ever tried Culver's chili? A while ago, my husband and I stopped at Culver's to eat. It was really a nice, cool fall day, so chili sounded really good to me. And I had never tried their chili before. It was really delicious. I was really nicely surprised. It was thick and hearty, and it had just the right amount of spice. So since this was the first time I had their chili, I ended up having to go on a hunt for the recipe so I could make it at home. Now I'm going to share it with you. I make this in one pot. There's no need to create more dishes to wash. So here's how I made my chili. I begin by browning 2 pounds of ground beef on medium-high heat in a kettle with olive oil. Drain off any excess fat if you need to. Mine was really nice and lean, so I did not have to. Add onion, bell pepper, and cook that until the onions are translucent. Then go ahead and add the tomato sauce, kidney beans, pinto beans, and then the spices for this it's really simple. It's just ground cumin, ground coriander, dried oregano, chili powder, salt, and black pepper. If you do want a bit more heat, I sometimes add like about a tablespoon of hot sauce to the whole kettle, or sometimes you can add about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That works really well too. Anyways, cover this, bring it to a simmer, and then it only really takes, because all the hamburger is cooked, it only takes about 20 minutes for this to simmer and all the flavors to meld together. And once it's done, you just serve it with your favorite toppings and enjoy. It's a really easy copycat recipe.